Good morning everyone. I'm saying good morning because it is morning. It's like the earliest I've been in a long time. Yeah, it's 6:20 and it's 6th of January, so it's been a couple days since I last filmed, but I did upload not long ago, so I'm going to try and get this video up as soon as possible. Yeah, sorry, excuse my skin. I had a big skin flare up over the last couple of days. I'm doing a vlog today. I'm not sure how it's going to go. I have a few plans to do today, so I'll just bring you along the way. But first I'm going to the gym with my dad. I was meant to go a bit later on with my mum, but it's been a change of plans and we're going out for the day, so I've tried to fit it in. So yeah, I'm going to get to the gym for 6:30. It's 6:20 now, so I'm going to leave in a minute. And then yeah, I'm going to come home maybe with my dad, because my dad usually goes to my nan's in the morning, so I'll probably get my nan's with my dad. And then I'll be back home for about 8, half 8ish. Still early, I'd usually be getting up by that time. I'm gonna go to the gym and just see what I can do, because it's my first proper time back to the gym. I've done runs since Christmas, but it's my first time at the gym, so it'll probably be horribly wrong. But I'll just take you and see what I can do and film what I can do. I've just got back home. As you tell, I'm really red, and I'm just turning around and show you my some sweat patches. So I just jumped in a puddle, and yeah, my back's really sweaty as well. Hard work. So yeah, I managed to do 10.5k. I mean, I didn't know I was even going to the gym today, so I'm not bothered. I think that's good. Yesterday I did 10k with my mum, but it was an outside run. And then I'm going to Llandudno today, which is just in Wales, which is near me. So we're going there today with my nan, my auntie, my other auntie, my mum and Erin, I think. I'm not sure who else. And we're going for a walk up there. So I'll take my camera, but I'm not sure if I'll film much, because it's just family time more. But then I'll obviously catch up with you when I get back and before I leave, and maybe in the car. I don't really know what I'll be filming, but I thought I'd just start today because I don't really know. But I also thought I'd start today because tomorrow I'm starting my apprenticeship, so I thought tonight I'd sit down and talk more about that. And also I'm starting my diet properly today, because it's 12 weeks till I go to Mexico again with Hannah. So I mean, I need to do something about that. But I need to get a shower because we're leaving at 9:30. I think it's 8:10. And we've got a while. It doesn't take me an hour to get ready, but I don't like to rush. I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll catch up with you when I'm ready. Thought I'd come on here and show you my outfit there. Pretty sure I've worn this whole thing before on my channel before. Oh, I've showed you this whole outfit in my video of my 6-1 outfit, which obviously 6-1 didn't last long. But I've kept the outfit, so I mean, win-win. So I'm wearing some Primark gloves, so I'm actually wearing all Primark today. Not sponsored. I do ski gloves, leopard ones, and they've got fur on the cuffs. They're actually really warm and I think they're really stylish, so yeah. I don't do skiing, but I like the ski style. My skin looks awful today. Long story short, my acne was trying to come back, but that's not happening, so it's gonna get more acne cream. So yeah, we're gonna go Llandudno now, and then I don't know when I'll catch up with you next. Yeah, I didn't think I'd record us walking because I'd be too cold to hold my camera. I don't know if I'm gonna bring it out the car because yeah, mum's cold. She's literally where is she? Here she is. Morning. I'm gonna put the camera away because it's too cold to take out really. Yeah, but I'll record anything on my phone. It's okay, I'm just vlogging. I'll record anything on my phone if you do anything, but we probably won't. So I'll probably catch up with you on our way here. Right, so I've just got home. Well, it's now 23 minutes past 1. Probably say we got in about 10 past 1. But I'm just sitting down and I'm watching previous Coronation Streets. I'm literally just sitting down and probably gonna go for a sleep because I'm really tired. Because as if you didn't know already, I got up at 10:06 this morning, and that's early for me. I just have an hour's sleep because my mum's gone out to work. My sister's upstairs, and I think me and my sister are gonna go out later. I'm not sure where, a few shops maybe. I don't know. And then me, my mum and sister are gonna go up to the shopping park when she comes back from work, just to have a look at something. For now I'm just gonna have a sleep and watch this. Nothing exciting, but I mean it's real, it's what's going on. So yeah, and my aches are hurting from the gym, so yeah, that's another reason for me to sit down. Hi guys. Well, it's now 10 to 5 and I forgot the time I said it was when I was about to fall asleep. I did fall asleep like around that time, and then I woke up at around 4:30. So I'm really in a good sleep now, and I'm just sat here watching YouTube. Currently watching Beard Meets Food, the 100,000 calorie challenge, and I really want to do this challenge now. I've been watching everyone do it. Nothing much has changed. I'm just literally watching people eat food on YouTube, but I literally love watching people eating. I need to make a mukbang or something soon. So yeah, that's the update for now. So I've just had my tea. If you're interested, I had a stuffed pepper, veg and a fish cake. I've just come up after like laying around for about 4 hours. And I need to like prepare myself, like the stuff I need to take with me. I mean, it's not much to take, but like my mum does my dinner, so I mean I don't sort all that, but I need to sort out what to take with me tomorrow. I still don't explain what the apprenticeship's about properly, but I also don't know if to go to the gym beforehand. I mean, it's a really short day tomorrow. I start at 12 and finish at 3:15, so I mean I'm not complaining. I was meant to finish at 4:30 or 5, so I mean it wasn't even a bad day anyway, but it's been shortened again. Also, I was gonna mention on here that I'm gonna be doing a vlog on the weekend, as it's my birthday on Sunday and it's my sister's birthday on Friday, and we're going to Manchester. I'm vlogging that whole weekend and things. I was gonna do a weekly vlog, but I'm not sure if that will work. I mean, I might just do, because I'm starting the apprenticeship tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I might just do Tuesday to Friday. I don't know. So I've just sorted out my gym bag, which I'm going to be going in the morning. I'll probably get that for about 6:30 again. And in here I've just got my DBS form and a form of ID, which is my provisional. So yeah, I'm just going to explain on here now, like briefly, what the apprenticeship is about. I'm not going to go into like loads of detail and talk about the actual name of the business, because it's a bit like confidential. That's what it's called. It's a bit like private. I don't want to give out too much information about like all that stuff. Basically, when I was in sixth form, this business came into the sixth form. They came in and they were actually doing like using the sports hall in the school as like where they based one of their like lesson things. Basically, it's just an apprenticeship being like a sports coach in primary schools. So I just travel around different primary schools in my area. There's some high schools, but I don't think I'm down on my timetable as any. But yeah, I like all the schools that I'm in because like I know them because of my area. I'm looking forward to it a lot. Obviously, to do with all this, because I'll be working with kids and things, I'm about to have a DBS done, which is just like a form of like I'm okay to work with children and all that. Obviously I am. I've grew up like with my family full of children. This is about all like the safety things and stuff. But I'll get a good qualification out of this because I'm doing level 2 and 3 on this. So at the end of it, I think it's like a year long, the apprenticeship. I'll hopefully get a job with the company. Fitness is what I want to do in life. Any sort of fitness, because I enjoy it. So I could get really good use out of this apprenticeship. It's just getting used to it more this week. So maybe I'll leave it a couple of weeks to settle in. I've just sorted everything out so I'm organised. Like I said, I don't start till 12 and it's a short day. So it's not going to be as bad, which I'm happy with. I do look forward to like seeing what it's all about. I'm going to see everyone now. I've just started pulling the camera out. When it comes to Cheshire Oaks, we're in Marks Spencer at the minute. Just went around the U a bit, went to JED and what's the other place? Oh, River Island. But now we're currently at Marks and Spencer, so I'm just putting my camera on the down low so no one can really see me doing this. Me and Aaron is talking about we're making a video together sometime this week. Probably come drive with me, us. Obviously you all know who Erin is, so yeah, maybe a new channel, who knows. Yeah, why have they positioned that mannequin like that? That's not even a dive. Where has she gone? There she is. So I've not really filmed anything, it's Monday, but should I do a carry on this as a week vlog? Yeah, we're just cruising around Marks and Spencer's at the minute. That's pretty much it. So back home now from Cheshire Oaks, and yeah, that's it really. I'm gonna start editing this video with my laptop. If you didn't know, I had a laptop already. That sounds like I was trying to brag, but I was just being sarcastic. And turns out I'm not going to the gym till a bit later now. Well, around 8:30ish. And I'm literally going to be in the gym for about 3 hours, but because my dad's then going to pick me up at like 11:25 to take me to the school I need to go to. Also, I was going to tell you that because my mum's car took into the garage to be like it's been bumped at a gym a long time ago, long story short, and it's just being fixed. So we've got a black BMW. I'm not good for cars, so I wouldn't know what type of car it is. I just know it's a BMW when it's black. I'm using that car at the minute. I'll show you out in the window or outside in a minute. I'm gonna write a little circuit out downstairs while I eat my Weetabix, so I'll do a time lapse of that, even though it's boring. But I keep saying also, it's like 20 different things that just came out of my mouth. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed into my pajamas and to go and eat my Weetabix. Well, this is what it is at the minute. I'm just vlogging about this car. You can't see it, but it's actually a black BMW, isn't it? New car. But I need to go and eat my Weetabix now, because the time we are on now is 9:05. Just wrote my circuit workout for tomorrow. This is the one I'm going to be doing tomorrow, like another time. Then I wrote down like just loads of different exercises. Weights, legs, arms and abs, and then I'm just using them when it comes to doing my workout. Right, so I've just done my workout plan for the morning. It was like, but now that's pretty much the day finished. Obviously explaining to my apprenticeship that starts tomorrow. And I'll also be catching up with you how it went throughout the week on my other upload, so stay tuned for that. But for now I'm going to bed, and this is like my Monday over because I'm so tired, and it's 10:15, so it's time for bed. It's not too early, but yeah, thanks for watching the video obviously and staying tuned to this point, and I'll happily see you in my next video. So good night and thanks for watching. Bye.